welcome to my vlog. This is the day 2 of Wuhan series. In the early morning, I took a China tram train. From inside, it really looks like metro, but it's really fast. So finally we came to our second destination, a Buddhist temple. It looks very good. Let me show you. People offer candles and incense sticks here. This place looks so peaceful and divine. I am curious to go inside. So let's go. This place looks so spiritual and divine. You can hear the prayers singing by some people over there. Now we are moving towards our third destination, which is very near to Yellow Crane Tower, which is our last destination. Then we reached to Hubu Lane, which is known for its Instagrammable atmosphere. Cafes are really aesthetic and the streets are really ancient. You can see a cat cafe here. Here most couple comes in traditional dresses to take photos for the Instagram feed. This place is totally a must visit place if you are in Wuhan. I totally loved this cafe. Look at the comic drawings over the walls. It's really interesting. Finally, we are in the landmark building of the Wuhan. That's yellow green tower. In night, it looks magnificent. It is located on the bank of Yangtze River and above the Snake Hill in Wuhan. You can see how magnificent it is. Now I will show you the nightlife in Wuhan. I totally love this bridge. This bridge looks so beautiful. Now it's time to go back to our place. Now I reached to the Wuchang railway station. That's Wuchang railway station from the inside. It's time to say goodbye to you guys. Stay tuned. We will meet on the next vlog for a different place. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Tell me which place do you like in Wuhan, and do you like to visit this place or not? For then, bye bye.